Here come the chicks, all colors so bright, ready for adventure, oh what a sight. Red, yellow, green, blue and pink, in a sunny meadow they gather to think. Yellow chick finds a sunflower tall, blends right in like it's part of the wall. So bright and sunny, it's easy to see, yellow like sunshine, happy as can be. Blue chick splashes in the pond so clear, with ripples that sparkle, bringing cheer. It flaps and chirps, splish splash around, blue like the water, making a sound. Red chick spots a ladybug small, red like the feathers, it's having a ball. Tiny little friend, red and round, the chicks all giggle as it crawls on the ground. Green chick finds a clover patch, nestles in the green water match, with leaves so soft, green as can be, blending with nature, happy and free. Purple chick finds grapes on a vine, taste the sweetness, feeling fine. Juicy and purple, round and sweet, sharing with friends is a yummy treat. Yellow chick finds on a pumpkin high, I'm on a mountain, it gives a cry. Round and orange, big and wide, the other chicks cheer with pride. Pink chick dances by tulips bright, pink as petals, such a delight. Around the flowers it twirls with glee, pink and pretty for all to see. Colors, colors everywhere, red and yellow here and there, blue, green, purple, orange, pink, chicks on adventure, all in sync. The rainbow butterfly leads the way to a rainbow arch on a sunny day. The chicks follow, their colors glow, to a magical playground they go. Each chick picks a place to slide, matching colors they laugh with pride. Red on red, blue on blue, playing together just like they do.
Yellow chick zooms down the slide, squeaking with joy, a happy ride. The other chicks take turns with cheers, sliding down, no fear here. Blue chick finds a water pool, splashes around to keep it cool. The other chicks join for a splashy game, learning colors, calling each by name.
Red and orange roll a ball, passing it back, having a ball. Tiny feet push back and forth,
Laughing and learning for all it's worth. Green chick sees a caterpillar small, crawling on a leaf so tall. Watching closely, it learns new things, nature's wonders and the joy it brings.
Purple chick finds a gemstone bright, shiny and purple, a beautiful sight.
Shows it to friends with a joyful peep, learning about colors they love to keep. Orange and pink bounce on a seesaw high, up and down, reaching the sky. Back and forth, a joyful play, colorful friends in a colorful way. They spot a rainbow up so high, colors shining in the sky. Walking along a flower path, learning colors they laugh and laugh. At the rainbow's end, a pot they see, with colorful seeds so happily. Each chick takes a seed so bright, ready to plant with all their might. In the soil they plant each seed, learning to grow, taking heed. They pat the dirt and say goodbye, waiting to see what colors arise. The next day they find tiny sprouts, matching colors without a doubt. Red, blue, green, and yellow too, a rainbow garden thanks to you. Colors, colors everywhere, red and yellow here and there, blue, green, purple, orange, pink, chicks on adventure, all in sync. As the sun sets, they sing a song, remembering colors all day long. Cuddled up under the tree, dreaming of colors yet to see.